Good morning, this is Yuki, and today on the Daily MILLI, I'm going to talk about the big news, which is obviously the listing on a centralized exchange, MEXC. Just today, trading has officially started, and you can buy, trade, sell MILLI directly from the MEXC platform. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to do that. First, you'll have to go to the MEXC.com website. From there, you'll have to sign up for a new account, unless you already have an account. And you can sign up through Google, Apple ID, MetaMask, and even Discord. There's a pretty standard KYC asking for you to scan an ID and go through a face recognition process. Mine was very fast and I was verified in less than half an hour. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this screen and you'll see in your notification that the new listing has arrived and that MILLI is ready to be traded now. So let's click on the link and see what we can do. And you can see that MEXC has a very complete and professional trading view with all the tools that you can expect from an advanced trading platform. The pair that is trading on MEXC is MILLI USDT. So back to the main screen, we'll see that the first step that you'll have to do is actually to deposit crypto on your account. And the process is explained at the top of the screen. Select the token and copy the wallet address, withdraw to wallet address, transfer confirmation, deposit successful. Very straightforward. So the first thing you need to do is to choose the crypto you will send to MEXC. It can be anything because in the end, you can always trade this crypto for USDT and then USDT to MILLI. But for now, we'll just choose USDT on Ethereum and MEXC will generate for us a new USDT address. And there you go. Now you have an Ethereum address where you can send USDT to. So just copy paste it, or if you're sending from your phone, you can also scan the QR and use it as recipient address for wherever you're sending your crypto from. Whether it's MetaMask, Coinbase, Binance, Trust Wallet, or any other exchange or custodial wallet. Keep in mind that the transfer is usually not instant. With the 64 network confirmation, it might take up to an hour, and you can check all deposit and withdrawal status by clicking right here. Once you have USDT on your account, you can go back to the spot trading page. There you'll see the chart, and below the chart, you can decide if you want to buy or sell some MILLI. Let's say you want to buy $100 of MILLI. You put $100 on the bottom line. Then because we're on limit order, you need to choose a price at which you want to buy. So you can choose something between the lower price someone is selling and the higher price someone is buying. Once you've put the amount of USDT you want to buy here, you'll just click buy and your order will be submitted. As soon as someone agrees on the price, you'll get your MILLI transferred on your account. Now if you want an instant buy, you can click on market here, just put the amount of USDT you want to invest and click buy. This will push your order at whichever price the market is at the moment, and you'll get your MILLI instantly. That's it for the tutorial, guys. I put all the link in the description, so feel free to use my referral if you want to sign up. It will give you some bonus and discounted trading fees. Now let's have a look at the MILLI chart. But let's keep in mind that the whole market is going through a consolidation phase, waiting for Bitcoin to decide if it's turning bullish again or retracing back to 62K. And that consolidation phase is also what we can observe on the MILLI chart. And for 2 days, MILLI has been bouncing between this support and this resistance, with the listing right here bringing high volatility, with some people playing the game of arbitrage between centralized exchange and decentralized exchange, as prices can differ from one to the next at the beginning of the listing. However, this listing is going to bring a lot of liquidity, with a lot of people being now able to buy MILLI without even owning a Compass wallet. I don't really have a short-time price prediction for today, but my long-term prediction is very bullish. With a market cap of barely 6 million and a very easy access to buy, we could reach another times 10 within a few weeks. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, follow me on Twitter. Remember that nothing I say is financial advice, so only invest money you can afford to lose, and don't forget to have fun. Ciao, ciao.